I thought I'd show one of these. These used to be old favorites of acidic roots for newcomers. If you've only been here since summer or spring or winter or 2020, you probably don't know about the channel and its admiration for Red Bull. So, wanted to show it. Mainly because this would be the first appearance of a sugar-free Red Bull. Has a very sexy can, I approve. And when they talk about like candy paint and that sort of stuff in songs, this is candy paint. I like the metallic blue and metallic silver. I guess that's not really a thing, but you get the idea. So meanwhile, you may have noticed a comment from Jackal Goldkick. A comment or two from Jackal Goldkick. He talks about my other favorite thing, a Slim Jim. Take a look. It's nice and spiffy. This is in my stockpile. I keep them in my pockets. Normally my pockets are empty. I mean, I do have money, but my pockets, there's no ID, no money. I mean, I go places when I buy things with money. Other than that, I don't have it normally. But Slim Jims is something I would keep in my pocket, is what I'm trying to segue to. So that's the point that I mean to do. So I'm just gonna strip this down, take off the lid, take off the strippings and throw it on the floor. That's what you do. Popping tags. That's what I'm doing. I'm popping tags. So, pardon my rudeness. I'm just gonna eat. I'm gonna eat while talking. It's not like I like to. It's not like I smack like that. Mild ones have a very kind of mellow taste. I mean, I don't know if you've ever been to Taco Bell and had like the mild sauce, but it just feels kind of like a flat soda. I don't know what to think, but I would rather have I'd rather have mild Slim Jim than no Slim Jim. So that's kind of the affinity there. The Gato is going to make an appearance. She is basically my, oh damn it, don't tell me my wit's failing me now. She's my co-signer. Yeah, she's co-signing the things I'm saying, so. So that was a nice burp for you. I haven't done that in a while, so. Just definite munchie food. I'll tell you, for all the smokers out there, the people that live in Colorado that have doobies in their hand like this, you need munchie food. Definitely the Little Debbie's, the Snap Cakes, the White Castle burgers. I mean, the saltiness just hits your tongue instantly. This is kind of like nothing like it. This is like the main thing is trying to say. Yeah, I would say for stoners, there's 14 in this box that I have right there. You could probably eat at least 12 of those and still be okay. That's how good they are. They're just delectable when you eat them properly. The old ones I used to get, the normal Slim Jims, used to taste like pepperonis. And I used to get the frozen pepperonis, eat like 20 of those fuckers, man. I'd put extra on the pizzas and I would just eat those. Really good. These just taste like, these are the flat soda. I dub the mild Slim Jim the flat soda of Slim Jim. You drink it only on certain occasions, but in my case, with the fuckeries that have happened, you're gonna need these. So Slim Jims are gonna be making appearances. Hopefully you enjoyed what Jackal Goldkick thought of them. Because due to the Delta variant, due to Cobalt having the car, that sort of stuff, there's going to be some limitations afoot. I'm running short on supplies, so I need these bad boys to assist me. These are like, when you think of the game Super Mario Brothers, the only tools that Mario had to save a whole land was a mushroom and a flower. That's about it. and a magic star that made him invincible, so he could run through things and just somehow not get hurt by them. Didn't understand it. Didn't know where that came from. It was we won't get into that. It was clearly an acid trip just to begin with. That's a whole different thing. My name is Acid Roots, so I would know about that, trust me.